Hello, delicious recipes fans. Welcome back to another hilarious episode where we dive deep into the world of bizarre YouTube cooking channels. Today, we will be critiquing a recipe that has garnered almost 9 million views, and it's called Death Begins in the Gut. All the dirt will come out of the body. Clean bowl. So buckle up and get ready for a roller coaster ride of culinary insanity. Our esteemed YouTube chef begins by chopping dried prunes with the precision of a blindfolded pirate. At this point, we can't help but wonder if this mysterious green knife is actually enchanted and possesses magical powers. It seems like our chef is obsessed with it. And while he's at it, he casually asks his viewers to subscribe to his channel. Talk about multitasking. Next, our chef introduces raisins to the mix, giving them a grand tour of the cutting board before gracefully dumping them into the pan with the prunes. It's as if he's performing a ritual to awaken the ancient spirits of dried fruits. And of course, who needs to wash dried fruits before cooking them? Hygiene is clearly overrated in this kitchen. As the dried fruits simmer away in the pan, our chef is struck with a brilliant idea to strain the boiled fruits and cool the liquid. But wait, the plot thickens. Apparently, the liquid has a secret destiny that our chef is yet to reveal. Now, with the boiled dried fruits transformed into a glorious porridge using a hand blender, our chef instructs us to consume a teaspoon before each meal. But what about the mysterious liquid? The suspense is killing us. Unexpectedly, our YouTube chef reveals that this was all part of the master plan. He's been preparing a magical potion all along. And so, he grabs a pear and skillfully peels it, offering a masterclass in fruit peeling that has us on the edge of our seats. But wait, there's more. Our chef brings out two unsuspecting kiwis and proceeds to peel them with the finesse of a world-class surgeon. At this point, we can only assume that he's preparing a fruit salad to accompany the dried fruit porridge. But then, plot twist. This is all part of the same recipe. Our chef adds the cool liquid, also known as compote, to the blender, along with the pears and kiwis and a couple of teaspoons of the dried fruit porridge. This magical concoction, now mixed to perfection, is revealed to be the mysterious potion that will cleanse our bodies of all ailments. Our chef, proudly presenting his masterpiece, claims that this potion should be consumed for an entire week before meals. And let's not forget the dried fruit porridge that must be eaten as well. Who would have thought that a simple YouTube cooking channel could take us on such an enthralling journey? From dried fruits to magical potions, this episode has been a whirlwind of emotions, laughter, and culinary absurdity. However, we must admit that there's a certain charm to this eccentric chef and his bizarre recipes. While we wouldn't recommend following his cooking methods to the letter, there's no denying that he's brought us endless entertainment. So, dear viewers, as we bid adieu to this episode of Delicious Recipes, we leave you with a hearty laugh and a reminder to always have fun and be creative in the kitchen. But please, for the love of good food, do wash your dried fruits and maybe consult a nutritionist before embarking on any questionable cleanse. Until next time, happy cooking and stay delicious. Goodbye.